Stop selling AI, start selling results. Another founder, when consumers don't care that you're building an AI product and might even hate it. I'm hearing a common thread from consumer AI founders. Consumers often don't really care that your new startup product uses AI under the covers. And in fact, when they find out, they find it to be a negative. WTF? I thought everyone was supposed to love AI. It's simple. We've trained consumers for decades to believe that the fanciest, best customer interaction is a one-on-one human concierge doing whatever you want. Automation is seen as cutting corners. The most luxurious hotel travel experiences involve overstaffed resorts, where humans cater to your every whim. The highest level of customer service from a product company, the founder working directly with you to solve your problem. So when consumers hear you're using product underneath, they're often repelled, associating it with low-cost, cheap service. It's tough when you're in the business of using AI to disrupt a human-intensive industry. Think AI travel planning, dating concierge, or real estate brokers. The vision is clear. Use AI to create more interactivity, answer questions quickly, and give great service. But many founders are finding that customers most value interacting with another human. How do you get around this? How do you solve the problem of building powerful AI that consumers seem to dislike? In the end, whether your product uses AI or not, consumers just care about the results. That might mean your product is there for them 24/7, able to answer questions instead of interacting with a call center rep where it takes minutes to connect. Or maybe the detail that you're creating in your product might take a human hours, but your service can create it instantly. So maybe it's the speed, comprehensiveness, and instantaneous nature of it. Or maybe it's that the cost is incredibly low because you don't have to pay humans to do all this work. Either way, these things become the value props, not AI. If your product uses AI, it's more of an enabling technology, something that sits underneath that ties all the capabilities together. But just as we stopped caring about megahertz, bandwidth speeds, etc., we'll stop caring about what underlying model is used. It's the question of whether the UX is better or not. This conclusion feels obvious in some ways, but it also flies in the face of the current startup investor mindset. Why is that? The reason is that in the B2B market, startups are finding enterprise customers very excited and motivated to evaluate and buy AI products. That's because it's such a big technology trend that there is a top-down drive towards utilizing AI to potentially decrease costs. As a result, everything in B2B is pulling new AI startups into their markets and creating a ton of value along the way. However, consumers just interact with products differently, caring less about the underlying functionality and technology trends and much more about things like brand, visual appeal, UX, and the evaluation process sometimes happens intuitively and quickly. Furthermore, I've established the truth that the simplest way to create value online is to build a tool that people use. To get them to use it, you typically need content. More importantly, a story which is high signal, high trust, no bullshit. That's the whole flywheel. Tools create utility. Story creates gravity. Trust converts attention into action. Everyone overcomplicates this. They chase hacks, virality, funnels, whatever. But if you just build something useful and talk about it in a way that's real, people show up. It's seriously not fucking magic. Of course, AI will be a better teacher, precision-tuned, tireless, programmed to be allergic to mediocrity, never bored, never boring. The future will split Homo sapiens into the pleasure seekers, and the truth seekers, the former, will submerge into giblified simulations, achieving ever deeper art and absurdity. The latter will fight to the death for resources to build ever larger brains for understanding reality. Of course, AI will be a better therapist, always present, never projecting, not secretly thinking about lunch. It's almost there. Of course, AI will be a better emotional companion, shocked listener, no mixed signals, no ego, no vanishing into silence when it matters. The only real question left is, are we ascending into something beautiful, or auto-tuning our souls into oblivion?